So guys, hi, welcome back to our channel Simple Guru. In today's video, we will be talking about something fantastic, the history of artificial intelligence. When I talk about history, our story starts in the 20th century with a brilliant British mathematician named Alan Turing. In 1936, he introduced the idea of universal machine, a concept that would later become the foundation for the modern computers. In 1950, Turing published a famous paper called Computing Machinery and Intelligence. It posted a very interesting question: when machines think. We are talking about 75 years back, and he was thinking what we are doing today. To measure the machine's ability to think, Turing proposed the Turing test, where humans interacts with a machine and another human. And if that human can't tell which one is the machine, then the machine has passed the test. This idea set the stage for AI research. If you don't know about this guy, Alan Turing, you have to watch this movie called Imitation Game. It's a very good movie. You have to watch it, and it is rating very good in IMDb. In the 1950s, AI research really began to take off. The term artificial intelligence was coined by a computer scientist named John McCarthy in 1955. He is often referred to as the father of artificial intelligence. And in the 90s, researchers like Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon developed the first artificial intelligence program, such as the logic theorist and general problem solver. These programs could solve problems by mimicking human reasoning. During this time, AI was also tested in the games like chess. In 1951, Christopher Starche created a program that could play checkers. And in 1956, IBM built a computer called IBM 701 that played chess. Even though AI had some promising parts, things were not always smooth. In the 1970s and 1980s, there was a period known as AI winter. Funding for AI research slowed down as the expectations did not meet the reality. AI programmers were limited and could not scale well. One major setback was the computers at that time did not have enough processing power to handle the complex problems AI researchers wanted to solve. Many thought AI had hit a dead end. But again, in 1990s, AI saw a change. The field of machine learning emerged. This was different from the earlier rule-based AI because it involved teaching computers to learn from data. One of the major breakthrough was the development of neural networks, which was inspired by how our brains work. I have explained about these neural networks in my first video. If you have not watched my first video, you better watch that and come back here. These networks could learn from large amounts of data and make predictions. In 1997, IBM has developed a computer called Deep Blue, made history by defeating the world chess champion Gary Kasparov. This was a huge milestone in demonstrating the power of AI. Then, after that, if we fast forward to 2000, and AI made a massive leap with the development of deep learning. This technique involves large neural networks with many layers which can learn and process complex patterns in the data. In 2012, AlanNet won the ImageNet competition by a huge margin. It was able to classify images with remarkable accuracy and was one of the first deep learning models to show the high potential of AI in the computer vision. AI started to become mainstream with applications like voice recognition and self driving cars emerging. Companies like Google, Meta, Microsoft, and Tesla, and a lot of other companies began to invest heavily in AI research. Today, AI is everywhere, from recommendation systems to facial recognition and even healthcare and finance. AI is making things smarter and more efficient. And there is something exciting happening now. generative AI, tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, DAL-E for image generation, and other publishing AI into creative fields. It's not just about solving problems anymore. It's about creating new contexts. From Alan Turing's early ideas, cutting edge AI we use today, the history of AI has been full of exciting development. AI is evolving rapidly, and we are only doing what is possible. So, in the next video, we will catch up with another AI related topic. Until then, take care. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye, friends.